Okay, hello. This is an exponential equation. So this is a multiplication of indices. So with this, we can write this as 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 4 equals 5 to the power x times 5 to the power 3 because am plus n equals an times am. Okay, let's move on. So we divide both sides by 2 raised to the power 4 and 5 raised to the power x. So we're going to have 2 raised to the power 4 times 5 raised to the power x over 2 raised to the power 4 times 5 raised to the power x. So we do some cancellation here. 2 raised to the power 4 cancel 2 raised to the power 4. 5 raised to the power x will cancel 5 raised to the power x, leaving 2 exponent x over 5 exponent x equals 5 cubed over 2 exponent 4. So here we know that am over an is the same as a over it's rather a over b exponent nn. So a exponent n, b exponent n is the same as a over b or exponent n. So the same thing applies here. We're going to have 2 over 5 to the power x equals 5 cubed over 2 exponent 4. So here we take log of both sides. We're going to get log 2 over 5x equals log of 5 cubed over 2 exponent 4. Okay, so here we know that log ax equals x log a. So this, we apply this here. So we are going to get x log of 2 over 5 equals log 5 cubed over 2 raised to the power 4. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Or divide both sides by log 2 over 5. Log of 2 over 5 divided by log 2 over 5. So this will cancel this. So we're going to get x equals log 5 cubed over 2 exponent 4 all over log 2 over 5. And here we know that log a over b is the same as log of a minus log b. So we apply this rule. So we are going to get x equals log of 5 cubed minus log of 2 raised to the power 4 all over log of 2 minus log 5. Okay, so here we apply our rule that log of ax equals x log of a. So here x equals, this will come here, 3 log of 5 minus this 2 will come here, 2, this 4 will come here rather, 4 log of 2 all over log of 2 minus log of 5. Okay, so here we need to find log 5, log 2, log 5 and log 2. And we know that log 5 give us 0.69897 and log 2 give us 0.30103. So let's substitute log 5 and log 2 into our equation. So like s equals 3 bracket log 5 0.69897 minus 4 log of 2 0.30103 all over log of 2 have 0.30103 minus log of 5 0.69897. Okay, we have x equals, so 3 times 0.69897 will give us 2.09691 minus 4 times 0.30130 will give us 1.20412 divided by 0.20130 minus 0.69897 give us negative 0.39794. Okay, so let's proceed. X equals this minus this will give us 0.89279 over negative 0.9794. So x equals this divided by this will give us negative 2.24. Okay, so x equals negative 2.24. So let's check our answer. That is, let's check our answer. So the question was 2x plus 4 equals, so checking answer was 5x plus 3. So 2 estimate x, you know x to be negative 2.24 equals 5 negative 2.24 plus 3. Okay, so negative 2.24 plus 4 will give us 1.76 equals 5 exponent negative 2.24 plus 3 equals 0.76. Okay, so this gives us 3.38698 and 5 raised to the power 0.76 will also give us 3.3979. So you can see that they are the same. So let's approximate it. So we have 3.39, 3.39. So subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.